We're gonna have a great time.
Day 2. Oh my god, this camera's really cool.
I know.
With Tegan's camera, I can't wait to buy this, but down.
I'm gonna be so sad like watching this video when I'm home.
Right, like wow. But anyways, we're going to Atlanta because you know we're in Atlanta. Yeah, and we're gonna go ice skating and it's gonna be really fun.
Have you ice skated before?
And cool and fresh. Yeah, I used to take lessons.
Are you good at it?
I think so.
Okay, we're gonna flex a little bit.
Okay, yeah, let's flex on them.
Yeah,
we're gonna flex on them. If they can't skate.
So much better with your short hair. It looks good. I love it.
Anyway, yeah, I just got here. I didn't sleep over last night because I had to do stuff this morning and it was really hectic and crazy and cool. But I'm here now and I'm sweating. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in a bit with my big old David Dobrik camera. Yeah. Oh my god, I love this. Like wow. Okay. Bye. Okay, wait. Let me show you the fit. Let me show you the fit. Let me show you the fit. Is this even? How does this work?
Yeah,
We're with this thing, these things, and then these things. Yeah. Say hi.
maybe she my voice.
Yeah, she lost her.
So they can't share.
I think that's what she did. I don't know though.
Keep breathing and breathing.
Try to copy this.
We're at a Christmas tree.
This Christmas tree farm. We're like, oh
my god. It's nice and cute, kind of. Yeah. We can take pics now. I don't.
where's the lights?
He turned off the lights.
Wait, what?
He turned the lights off.
Look, those lights.
Yeah, they were on.
Yeah. And they wouldn't have been able to see the picture.
Photo shoot's just starting.
Yeah.
Oh
the
yes.
day is just
Oh
begun.
yes.
You look literally David Dobrik.
Oh my god, right? Like David Dobrik, like
Is it
what is that?
or you?
No, I'm like used to it kind of.
We're like holding a tree.
I just
Didn't focus, let me see.
Yeah, it is. I put it on
Just so late.
See, how do you know it's in focus or not?
because I made it a mark on my camera where I lined it with that, and then I have a mark right there.
Yeah, I'm sad. That is too much.
I know it is. Wait, can we get a picture? Oh my god, can we get a picture? Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! I'll follow you. Wow. Oh my god! We are in the city officially. We literally have like bags full of clothes back here somewhere, if you can even see that.
Guys, get ready for lots of dirty not dirty. I mean, I meant to say dirty looks from stuck-up girls at
I'm excited.
Oh yeah, these girls, the girls in Buckhead, Atlanta, the girls in.
This is my first time here and I'm loving it.
No freaking way.
Hey guys, we're at Pond City Market taking a bunch of pics.
Taking pics and we're gonna get some coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
I always want to say finna, but then I'm scared it sounds too ghetto.
Like I'm scared I'm gonna sound too ghetto, so I don't say it. I don't know if I sound look ugly.
Oh my god, you look so cute.
I don't know.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Where?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I love this.
Why do I live here and I never come here?
Right.
Oh. Anybody? Yeah, seriously, you guys come hang out with me. Are you going? Yeah.
Hey guys. Hi. I feel like Animal hasn't been in the vlog, so here she is.
I'm so tired. Like, I'm so
I'm so like.
We just ordered, so probably get ready to call you. They're probably about to call you. Want to eat here?
Okay.
No, I took a wellness shot. Yeah, she did.
It's fun. Look at that. Nice little terrarium, but it's an actual store.
Never mind.
Guys. And people are so rude here, but it's fine. It's fine. We're fine. It's so cold. I need to change back to what I was wearing because I don't like to fit. Not something. I really hope this is all in freaking focus because wow. Outfit number 3. We literally just changed in the back of the car. Wow.
I don't know how I'm gonna change
Yeah, now we're going for dinner to Lenox. Cheesecake. And yeah, it's gonna be really freaking lit and fun. And a piece could make my life complete. Sorry. Does it smell like it?
You say your body rock.
How golden you are.
God, is it golden hour?
Like the spotlight is on you, Josie.
Golden
Kill
hour.
it right now.
Golden.
Every hour is golden hour.
Woman. Ooh! We're at Lenox and it's crazy and we're all dressed up. Bubbles. Yeah. Oh my god, this is awesome. What was I?
Birthday girl.
18.
Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, why is this so much smaller?
Yeah, this is not what we thought it would be.
Yeah.
What the heck? But I still think it's cute. What do you think?
It's a makeup brand. I didn't know it was a makeup brand. They just have fun things.
I'm here with these lovely ladies. We're showing that y'all approve something.
We're all YouTubers.
We're on like,
Okay.
no
so
way.
I'm
What's
with
your
the YouTube crew. My YouTube is up and coming.
Okay.
But check it out.
I'm laughing so hard.
So what y'all got going on tonight?
We're just shopping. Oh, yeah, we're just shopping.
So we're at Urban at Lenox and we just met someone I don't know, but she knows. And it's the awkwardest thing ever because they are coming with us with the camera. You explain the story.
Okay, so basically, I noticed Maddie Ross. I've seen his videos a really time ago, so I noticed him. I just went to Josie, and Josie went and got everybody else, and they all went to go like get him, and obviously when we run towards him, all vlogging, like he thinks we like know who he is. Some of us do, but like
Okay, I watched it.
he just got to the awkward point where we couldn't say.
I know,
You know what I'm saying? If he watches the video, I'm so sorry. Like I don't watch your video. Like you know what I'm saying, Maddie?
Oh my god.
That was something.
Annabelle, how did that make you feel?
It made me really nervous. I was like,
I thought he was about to bolt with your camera.
I went through somewhere else.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I'm gonna die. Right.
What to say?
I'm like looking around for a guy in a shirt.
Okay, so basically, Annabelle's mom was like, hey, should I do a dare? And we're like, what are you gonna do? So basically, some guys were sagging their pants, and she went up to them and said to pull up their pants. And this is the outcome, and it was hilarious, and we didn't think she was actually gonna do it.
She did it! She actually did it! We'll watch.
Okay, so here's another story. Basically, these dudes in some reindeer onesies came up to us because they saw us with these cameras and asked us to do an interview for their YouTube channel, and the questions they asked were kind of like, what? So we walked away, and this mall experience was really crazy. God.
This is their show. Okay. My name? Sarah Nomani. Hold on, let me make What? What'd he just say?
We're not gonna get mad.
Wait, what? What did he just say?
He said, out of all of us, who we should kill America.
Oh my god. Let's get it. Oh wow.
Yeah, either that was literally like that was
That was the craziest mall trip ever. Literally craziest mall trip ever. Don't know what the heck that was, and I'm uncomfortable. Yeah, the line at Cheesecake was literally way too long. Are you kidding me? We're at freaking racetrack now. It's literally almost 1 and
So we're going to take such a I'm excited. Oh my god, we came to the racetrack and we're going to take some like
I don't have money with me, so it's whatever. We just took pics and I look like a crackhead. Yay!
Hey guys, while you're going in, we're at the gas station.
Me too.
And
I'll come in.
the workers are probably looking at us like we're crazy. Oh gosh. But
Wow, I'm really that short.
wait, why is your quality like better than mine?
Because it's me.
Okay. Anyway, so we're at the gas. For places to take pictures. Wait, but I'm literally shaking my
Let me just block you.
That's nice.
Wait.
Am I out?
Now you're
out.
Do you guys ever just stare at yourself in the viewfinder?
Yeah. No.
I wish I had a viewfinder.
I don't want to cry.
Hey guys, we're at a little town and shopping, but not really shopping because I can't buy anything anymore. And I'm done with this camera because it's so freaking annoying. So yay!
Yeah, that was the one she
Bye.
Hi. Do this my We're at the gas. I was gonna say gas station.
Wait, this is so cute. Okay, I need a story. Please don't kill me. I think it's fine.
different. I don't know how to explain it. I'll get it next time.
Hey. Yeah. What is she doing?
I like.
Oh.
Hey guys. I don't want you to know.
Oh my god.
This is depressing.
I want us to like drift apart. Like no.
Yeah.
Can we not?
Yeah,
We're
no.
gonna Snapchat and FaceTime. So sad. In the group chat, like start conversation.
Ew.
Guys, I love you. I love you guys so much. I love you. Oh, you guys are literally like my best friends. You guys are literally my best friends. Like I'm so sad.
Okay, wait. How far do you live from my house? Like
30 minutes.
We're literally gonna see each other.
Yes, like we. But like I'm not gonna see them next weekend.
Let's plan a new trip tonight.
No, but like,
I'm like, let's go. Yeah. I'm like the only one not recording.
wait, is this not my vlog?
A Gorlygirlgang hug. Oh. That was kind of warm.
Yeah, I love you guys so much.
Okay, we gotta hurry.
Be loud.
We gotta hurry, sister girls. Let's go. Okay, here we go.
Wait, whose is this?
Why am I wearing heels? What's yours?
I love that.
I really like.
Bougie. I just realized I'm filming my videos on the wrong setting. Oh, wait, until we get back.
Anyways, we're leaving now.
Wait.
I miss you so much. We're not gonna. And you live so close, but like.
Wait, let's wait another.
I'll see you when I'm 20. Wait, are you guys gonna hang out like seriously? Give me a phone. Yeah, we start hanging out.
Oh my.
The gang. The gang.
Sarah, I really don't want to leave.
The original Gorlygirl.
I wish I could come. Why does my mom have to be like this?
Education first.
Right.
Why do it be like that?
Why does it be like right?
Sarah, you're like the most likable person ever. I'm so sad.
Nobody can know.
She's so funny. You